Hi, I'm Jenna with Organ Recovery Systems, and today we're going to explore why it is beneficial to utilize hypothermic machine perfusion in kidney transplantation. Kidney transplant surgery can save lives, but it can also result in significant complications. Recipients may experience delayed graft function, the kidney graft may not survive long term, and the kidney discard rate is alarmingly high. With over 95,000 people waiting for a life-saving kidney transplant surgery in the United States alone, we need to look at ways to save more lives and increase the effectiveness of kidney transplants. There are numerous concerns when it comes to optimizing outcomes in kidney transplantation. Originally, the biggest concern in transplantation was immunosuppression, but since the introduction of modern-day immunosuppressants, this is no longer as big a concern. Now, the most common concerns regarding kidney transplantation include primary non-function, graft survival, patient survival, and delayed graft function, which is most commonly defined as the requirement for dialysis within the first 7 days post-transplantation. Most of us are also aware of the concern surrounding the lack of available organs compared to the number of people awaiting these organs. Luckily, hypothermic machine perfusion has been proven to help alleviate some of these concerns. First off, one benefit of hypothermic machine perfusion that has been demonstrated time and time again is its ability to reduce delayed graft function. There are numerous studies that have demonstrated a significantly reduced occurrence of delayed graft function when hypothermic machine perfusion is used compared to static cold storage. In one particular study of the UNOS database by Cannon and colleagues, they found that in a paired kidney cohort, there was 8% less delayed graft function when hypothermic machine perfusion was used compared to static cold storage. The reduction of delayed graft function has significant implications with regards to hospital length of stay and the recurrence of kidney failure, which in turn can lead to cost savings. Studies have shown that when you take into account the cost savings due to better outcomes of kidney transplantations, hypothermic machine perfusion is a cost-effective method of organ preservation. Another significant benefit to using hypothermic machine perfusion is the increase in graft survival. Studies have shown that there is significant increase in 1-year graft survival when hypothermic machine perfusion is used compared to static cold storage. This increase in graft survival was further seen in a 3-year follow-up study where especially kidneys from extended criteria donors that underwent machine perfusion had higher graft survival than those that were stored by static cold storage in a paired study. This phenomenon of increased graft survival is even more prominent when the kidney does develop delayed graft function. Compared to kidneys that are stored by static cold storage, those stored by hypothermic machine perfusion have better graft survival even after the development of delayed graft function. Another more recently investigated benefit of hypothermic machine perfusion is the reduction in discards. One American study found that although discards have increased significantly over the past decade, had there not been an increase in the use of machine perfusion, the discard rate would have increased well beyond the current observed rate. Other studies have shown that an increase in hypothermic machine perfusion would allow not only for the successful use of higher KDPI kidneys, but also for the significant decrease in the discards of these kidneys. Organ Recovery Systems and the LifePort Kidney Transporter have been supporting life-saving kidney transplants since 2003 and continue to help transplant teams achieve better outcomes and reduce discards to preserve the precious gift of organ donation. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.